Imagine a concrete that not only bears the weight of structures but heals itself, defying the limits of time and nature. Introducing RenewCrete, advanced self-restoring concrete where strength meets innovation and structure heal themselves. RenewCrete paving the way for resilient and sustainable future in construction.
Our venture, Advanced Self-Restoring Concrete Formulation and Application, aims to tackle some of the critical challenges associated with traditional concrete solutions. Now let's delve into the core issues that our venture targets. So first is cracks in concrete structures. So traditional concrete structures are susceptible to developing cracks over time due to various factors such as weathering, load stress, and settlement. Second, we have here the limited durability of traditional concrete. So the issue here is conventional concrete may exhibit limited durability, necessitating frequent repairs and maintenance, especially in demanding environments. So third is the high cost of frequent repairs. So the continuous need for repairs and maintenance significantly escalates costs for construction companies and infrastructure projects, impacting both budgets and timelines. So the fourth problem that we're targeting is the environmental impact of conventional repair methods. So the issue is standard repair methods often involve materials and processes with environmental implications, contributing to a less sustainable approach in the construction industry.
User stories help to capture the functionality and benefits of a product from the perspective of end users. Here are user stories gathered for advanced self-restoring concrete formulation and application. So first, we have, as the construction project manager said, I want a concrete solution that minimizes the occurrence of cracks over time, reducing the need of a frequent repair and associated project delays, so that I can ensure the durability of structures and allocate resources more efficiently in my construction projects. Second, we have, as a civil engineer, I want a self-restoring concrete formulation with enhanced mechanical properties so that the structures that I will design can withstand various stresses and loads, ensuring a long-term stability and safety. Next is as an environmental sustainability officer. So I want a concrete solution that aligns with sustainable and eco-friendly practices so that I can recommend construction materials that contribute to environmentally responsible projects and reduce the overall carbon footprint. So next, we have also, as a government infrastructure official, I want a cost-effective concrete formulation that minimizes the financial burden of frequent repairs on public infrastructure, so that I can allocate public funds more efficiently and contribute to the longevity of infrastructure projects. Fifth is we have, as a construction site worker, I want to work with concrete that requires minimal maintenance and repairs, ensuring a safer and more efficient construction process. We have number 6, as a sustainable building designer. I want a concrete solution that complements sustainable design principles and can contribute to green building certifications. And last but not the least, as a facilities manager, I want a self-restoring concrete formulation that reduces the long-term maintenance costs of the buildings I oversee, so that I can manage facility budgets more effectively and ensure a prolonged life cycle for the structures under my responsibility.
With the current customer solutions, so we have here the following. We have traditional concrete mixes, repair methods, polymer-based repair systems, fiber-reinforced concrete, and the crack repair and injection services. So the current customer solution in the construction industry relies on traditional concrete mixes and repair methods, featuring well-established but crack-prone concrete compositions. When damage occurs, reactive approaches such as patching and specialized repair materials are employed, along with enhancements like polymer-based systems and fiber-reinforced concrete to improve its durability. Despite these efforts, the industry lacks autonomous self-repair capabilities, resulting in increased maintenance costs and project disruptions over time. So professional crack repair services offer targeted solutions but contribute to cumulative expenses. Overall, the existing approach addresses visible issues but falls short in providing a proactive, cost-effective, and self-sustaining solution for concrete-related challenges in construction.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing RenewCrete, an industry game changer. This advanced self-restoring concrete formulation and application revolutionizes construction by solving common issues like cracks, durability, and maintenance in concrete structures. So what is the RenewCrete's standout feature? It is the autonomous self-restoration capabilities. It heals itself, minimizing cracks and reducing maintenance while its superior durability extends structural lifespans. Key features include a self-healing mechanism, toughness, and competitive pricing due to cost-effective production. It aligns with sustainability, reduces costs, and optimizes project timelines. RenewCrete offers reduced maintenance costs, enhanced durability, eco-friendliness, and competitiveness, pricing across various construction projects. It's the future of resilient and sustainable construction.
The technical validation report evaluated advanced self-restoring concrete or RenewCrete formulation by collecting feedback from industry experts. Three key findings were emerged. First, we have the interests and challenges. Participants showed interest in self-restoring concrete due to its potential for reducing maintenance costs as they confirmed issues with cracks and durability in existing projects. Next, we have the RenewCrete's features. The self-healing mechanism, durability, and improved properties of RenewCrete were positively received, especially in high-stress environments. And lastly, we have considerations and recommendations. Concerns about long-term behavior, environmental impact, and the need for clear documentation were raised. Recommendations included refining documentation, conducting further environmental testing, and aligning RenewCrete's industry with standards, and aligning RenewCrete's with industry standards. So, the report suggests that refining documentation, conducting more testing, collaborating with experts, and exploring pilot projects for real-world testing as the next steps. Overall, the positive feedback indicates potential for RenewCrete, but addressing concerns and aligning with standards that are crucial for successful implementation.
In the realm of advanced construction materials, particularly those addressing issues like self-healing and enhanced durability, it's essential to compare your product, the advanced self-restoring concrete or RenewCrete, with existing similar products in the market. In competitor number 1, the fiber-reinforced concrete or FRC typically does not possess autonomous self-healing capabilities, while RenewCrete integrates a proprietary self-healing technology that actively responds to cracks, providing autonomous drop-in repair. Talking about durability and strength, the competitor has reinforced with fibers for improved tensile strength but may lack the self-repair aspect, while RenewCrete offers both enhanced durability and the ability to self-repair, providing a holistic solution. In cost optimization aspect, RenewCrete focuses on cost-effective production methods, ensuring competitive pricing compared to traditional concrete solutions, as the competitor FRC costs may vary depending on the type of fiber used. It same goes to the other competitor as well. The RenewCrete dominates the comparison between the competitors available in the market.
So the target customers for the advanced self-restoring concrete or RenewCrete encompasses large construction companies engaged in infrastructure projects like civil engineering firms specializing in design and execution, architects and designers seeking cutting-edge and sustainable solutions, government agencies overseeing construction, and environmental organizations prioritizing green building practices. So RenewCrete's self-healing properties and enhanced durability make it particularly valuable for projects where maintenance costs and structural integrity are critical considerations. appealing to entities with a focus on long-term planning and reduced life cycle costs. So the marketing approach involves educational campaigns to raise awareness, partnerships with construction-related entities for integration, advocacy with government agencies, and pursuing green building certification to position RenewCrete as an environmentally responsible construction material. By strategically targeting these segments and emphasizing its innovative and sustainable features, RenewCrete aims to establish a strong presence in the market and contribute to the advancement of modern construction practices.
Now I present to you a comprehensive cost breakdown per project. So these estimated costs cover various essential categories needed for the successful implementation and execution of our initiative. So let's delve into the specific. So for the materials, we have allocated 5,000 pesos per cubic meter. For equipment and machinery, we have allocated 500,000 pesos. That's an initial investment. For the labor costs, we have allocated 100,000 pesos per month. For the research and development, we have allocated 1 million pesos, also an initial investment. For technology and equipment, we have 750,000, an initial investment as well, and an initial investment as well for the quality control and testing. We have 200,000 pesos. For the packaging, we have allocated 10 pesos per bag. For regulatory compliance, we have 100,000 pesos. For distribution logistics, we have allocated 100,000 pesos per month. For the overheads, we have 150,000 pesos per month. That sum up to total estimated cost, which is 2,905,010 pesos. So these figures outline the anticipated expenses across vital categories.
Calculating the return of investment for a venture like the advanced self-restoring concrete, RenewCrete involves assessing the financial gains relative to the cost incurred over a specific period. Here's a simplified approach to estimate the return of investment. First, we have to identify the costs, sum up all the costs associated with the development, production, initial launch of RenewCrete. This includes raw materials, equipment, labor, R&D, marketing, regulatory compliance, and any other relevant expenses. Next, we have to estimate the revenue. Project the revenue generated from the sales of RenewCrete. Consider factors such as pricing, market demand, and sales volume. This projection can be done on a monthly or yearly basis. Next, we have to calculate the net profit. Subtract the total cost from the estimated revenue to determine the net profit. This represents the financial gain from the venture. Including our return of investment formula, we need to consider the time frame. So we have this scenario or example for you to understand more about our return of investment. So suppose that the total cost for developing and launching RenewCrete amount to 5 million pesos and the projected revenue for the first year is 8 million pesos. The net profit will be 8 million minus 5 million. It will equals to 3 million pesos. This would mean that the projected return of investment of 60% for the first year, and the higher the ROI percentage, the more favorable the investment. Always remember that these calculations are estimates and actual results that may vary. Additionally, return of investment should be part of a comprehensive financial analysis that considers factors like cash flow, payback period, and risk. Consulting with financial experts can provide a more accurate and tailored assessment for your specific venture.
Okay, so in summary, the advanced self-restoring concrete, or RenewCrete, represents a groundbreaking innovation in the construction industry and offers a strategic investment opportunity. With its unique combination of self-healing technology, enhanced durability, and eco-friendly principles, RenewCrete is positioned to redefine industry standards. Investors joining this venture have the chance to not only support a revolutionary product, but also shape the future of sustainable construction practices. Together, this collaboration aims to build not just structures, but a legacy of innovation, resilience, and environmental stewardship. The investment promises not only a strong financial return, but also a contribution to a future where constructions endure while minimizing environmental impact. It's an invitation to collectively build a sustainable and innovative future.
RenewCrete,
pioneering progress, building resilience for sustainable tomorrow.